Introducing the compact camper that can travel 4 and doubles up in size. Check this out! A spacious living room with swiveling seats, a practical kitchen with a stove and running water, either warm or cooled, and a lot of storage around the car, either on the upper cabinets, on the drawers, and all the closets around. A spacious fridge with a freezer inside. Check out this double bed in the pop-top roof with lights, heating, and even USBs to charge your appliances. And the most amazing view. And look at all the storage space. An integrated bathroom with toilet, hot water for the shower, and a sink. A compact and easy-to-drive vehicle with a low consumption, radio that you can pair your phone with Bluetooth, and AC for the trip.